Hello guys, in this video we will see DirectX Error invalid call in Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step will update graphics drivers. Content DirectX Error invalid call often indicates an issue with how the game communicates with your graphics. Card outdated or corrupted display drivers are a primary culprit. Access your manufacturer's official website, NVIDIA and/or Intel, or use their respective software to force experience some adrenaline software Intel driver support assistant to download and install the absolute latest version of your graphics drivers. Opt for a clean installation if the driver installer provides this option, as it removes previous driver files that might be causing conflicts. Reboot your system after the installation is complete. Step adjust in-game and system display settings. Content this error can occur if the game attempts to use an unsupported or conflicting display mod resolution or refresh rate before launching Battlefield. Open your operating system's display settings and ensure your primary monitor's resolution and refresh rate are set to standard stable values. Once in the game, navigate to the graphics or display settings. Try lowering the resolution, setting the refresh rate to TAS or both as, and experimenting with the display mod, switching from full screen to borderless windowed or vice versa. Start with low or more universally supported settings and gradually increase them to identify the problematic configuration. Set disable overlays and background applications. Content third-party applications running in the background, particularly those with in-game overlays. Discord overlay, NVIDIA, GeForce, Experience overlay, Xbox Game Bar, Messiah Afterburner. Its Rivatuner statistics server can interfere with DirectX calls to the GVO, leading to this error before launching Battlefield. Manually close or disable all non-essential background applications. Specifically go into the settings of any overlay software and turn off the in-game overlay feature. Test the game again to see if the error persists. If it resolves the issue, you can then re-enable applications one by one to pinpoint the exact conflict. Step will verify game files integrity. Content corrupted or missing game files can lead to various runtime errors, including DirectX Error invalid call. Most game launchers provide a feature to verify the integrity of installed game files for Battlefield games, typically launched via app formerly Origin or Steam. Open the respective launcher, navigate to your game library, right-click on Battlefield, and select the option to verify or repair game files. The launcher will scan your installation, compare it to the server version, and download replace any damaged or missing files. This process ensures all necessary game assets are intact and correct. Step perform a clean DirectX installation via driver uninstaller. Content. While DirectX is integrated into Windows, a severe underlying issue with your graphics driver installation can manifest as a DirectX error. A more thorough step than a standard driver update is to perform a completely clean uninstallation of your graphics drivers using a dedicated tool like Display Driver Uninstaller. Do in Windows Safe Mod. After completely removing all traces of the previous drivers, reboot your system. Then proceed to install the latest recommended graphics drivers from your manufacturer's official website. This ensures a fresh, conflict-free driver environment for DirectX to operate within.